homologous series. Now, when studying organic compounds, we are going to deal with a lot of homologous series. Now, what is homologous series? Now, homo means the same, okay? Homo means the same. So homologous series means that a group of carbon compounds which have certain similarities. Let's see the definitions. A series of compounds with similar chemical properties means that there are a few compounds and then they have similar chemical properties. The chemical property is about the same, okay? In which the members differ from one another by the possessions of additional CH2 groups, okay? I'm going to explain to you later. So for those carbon compounds fulfill these requirements, and then they are called a homologous series. They're called homologous series. Let's see these examples. Now, from here we can see that we have 5 carbon compounds. Okay, the first one CH4. Actually, this is methane. This is methane. For the time being, you don't need to know. You don't need to worry about the name. Okay, we will discuss later. Okay, this is methane, and this is ethane. Now we can see that the difference between methane and ethane is methane. It has additional 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens, right? This one 1 carbon, this one 2 carbons. So we have 1 extra carbon. This one 4 hydrogen, this one 6 hydrogen, means that it has extra 2 hydrogens. So the difference between this methane and this, the ethane molecule, is the ethane has additional CH2 groups. Okay, so you see we have additional CH2 group. And then let's compare ethane with propane. Propane, C3H8. So the difference is also a CH2. Okay, this one has extra 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. And if we compare propane with butane, it's also the same. This one has extra 1 carbons and 2 hydrogens. And for butane and pentane, it's also the same. This one has extra 1 carbons, 2 hydrogens. Okay, and then we also found that these 5 carbon compounds, okay, it has similar chemical properties. Okay, for examples, all of them can combust in air, and then all of them can react with chlorine. Okay, so chemically they are almost the same. So for these carbon compounds, okay, that has similar chemical properties, and the difference between one another is 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens, we group them together. Okay, we group them together. Actually, we still have a lot of more. Okay, here I only show 5. Actually, we have 6, 7, 8, and a lot more. Okay, and we group them together, and then we call it homologous series. Okay, so homo means same. Means that they have certain similarities. Okay. So again, what is homologous series? Okay, homologous series is a series of compounds with similar chemical properties and in which members differ from one another by the possessions of additional CH2 groups. Okay, so the difference between one member to the next member in the series is a CH2, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogens.